Namaste. Let's practice 12 rounds of Surya Namaskar today. As you know, the practice of Surya Namaskar affects every single joint of the body, every single muscle of the body, all the organs, systems of the body gets impacted during the practice. The glandular system gets activated. The secretion of the hormones comes into control, and the psychic center, the energy center, the chakras of the body also gets activated. The body gets energized, body gets vitalized, body gets refreshed, and it enhances your immunity level. You feel refreshed and light and completely relaxed at the end. Let's start the practice.
On the front of the mat, join the legs, balance the body. Then the body becomes still and watch the breath. And then first position, prayer pose. From here, inhale, second. Exhale, going to the third. The right leg going back knee down, head up. Inhale, exhale the fifth. Put the knees down, chest down, chin down, the sixth. Inhale, seven. Exhale, the eighth, the mountain. Left leg comes forward. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. The first. Inhale, second. Exhale, the third. Left leg going back knee down, down. Exhale, the fifth. Retain the breath, sixth. Inhale, exhale. The right comes forward. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. The first, the second, the third, the right going back, the fifth, the sixth, the seventh, the eighth. Left comes forward. 10th, 11th, the 12th, the first, second, the third, left leg going back, the fifth, the sixth, the seventh, the eighth, the right comes forward, 10th, 11th, the 12th, the first, the second, the third, the right going back, the fifth, the sixth, the seventh, the eighth, left comes forward, 10th, 11th, the 12th, the first, the second, the third, left leg going back, the fifth, sixth, the seventh, the eighth, the right comes forward, 10th, 11th, the 12th, the first, second, the third, the right going back, the fifth, the sixth, the seventh, the eighth, left comes forward, 10th, 11th, the 12th, the first, second, the third, left leg going back, the fifth, the sixth, the seventh, the 8th, right comes forward, 10th, 11th, 12th, the first, 2nd, the 3rd, right going back, the 5th, the 6th, the 7th, the 8th, the left comes forward, 10th, 11th, the 12th, the first, the 2nd, the 3rd, left leg going back, the 5th, the 6th, the 7th, the 8th, the right comes forward, 10th, 11th, the 12th, the first, the 2nd, the 3rd, the right going back, the 5th, the 6th, the 7th, the 8th, the left comes forward, 10th, 11th, 12th, the first, the 2nd, the 3rd, left leg going back, the 5th, the 6th, the 7th, the 8th, the right comes forward, 10th, 11th, 12th, first, 2nd, 3rd, right going back, the 5th, the 6th, 7th, the 8th, left comes forward, 10th, 11th, 12th, the first, 2nd, 3rd, left leg going back, the 5th, the 6th, the 7th, the 8th, right comes forward, do not stop, 11th, 12th, go on, the first, the 2nd, the 3rd, right going back, the 5th, the 6th, the 7th, the 8th, left comes forward, 10th, 11th, 12th, the first, 2nd, 3rd, left leg going back, the 5th, 6th, the 7th, the 8th, right comes forward, 10th, 11th, 12th, the first, 2nd, 3rd, right going back, the 5th, the 6th, the 7th, the 8th, left comes forward, 10th, 11th, 12th, the first, the 2nd, 3rd, left leg going back, the 5th, 6th, the 7th, the 8th, right comes forward, 10th, 11th, the 12th, last one, the first, 2nd, the 3rd, right going back, the 5th, the 6th, the 7th, the 8th, left comes forward, 10th, 11th, 12th, the first, 2nd, the 3rd, left going back, the 5th, the 6th, the 7th, the 8th, right comes forward, 10th, 11th, 12th. Do not stop. The first, the 2nd, the 3rd, right going back, the 5th, the 6th, the 7th, the 8th, left comes forward, 10th, 11th, 12th, the first, the 2nd, the 3rd, left going back, the 5th, the 6th, the 7th, the 8th, right comes forward, 10th, 11th, 12th. 11 over, the last one now, the 12th. First, second, third, right going back, the 5th, the 6th, the 7th, the 8th, left comes forward, 10th, 11th, the 12th. The last half, the first, second, third, left going back, the 5th, the 6th, the 7th, the 8th, right comes forward, 10th, 11th, and the 12th. Lie down in Shavasana and relax with the closed eyes. Lie down on your back. Relax completely in Shavasana. A big day, 12 rounds. Some of you finished 12 rounds. Legs are apart by foot, 1.5 feet. Arms 6 to 8 inches away from the body. Turn the palm upward facing the ceiling. Yes. Head is straight. Eyes remain gently closed. 12 rounds of Surya Namaskar. Check the body, what all happening inside. Head to the toes to the head. All the gross to subtle experiences. Every single part, every cell of the body, every organ or every system of the body gets activated. Check the body, head to the toes. All the gross to subtle experiences. Observe and relax. Be aware of the breath now. Still little upset. Your breathing, the breathing pattern, simply watch it without trying to regulate it. At the same time, be aware of the mental state. Thought coming, going, or no thought, emptiness. Head to the toes to the head. Observe and relax. Going to the right leg, relax it. Left leg, relax it. Both legs are completely relaxed. The abdomen, chest, the torso relaxed. Right arm, left arm, the arms relaxed. The face, the head relaxed. The back, the buttocks relaxed. The body relaxed from behind. The body relaxed from the front. The body relaxed from each side. Awareness of this still and relaxed body. Place your right palm on top of the navel, left palm over the chest. 7 rounds of the deep yogic breathing. Start inhaling, abdomen expands, extend it to the chest, deep up to the throat. And release in reverse order. Throat relaxes, chest relaxes, abdomen goes in, contracted. 6 more rounds, the yogic breath. Seven rounds, the yogic breath.